these churches that were from Jesus Christ being persecuted and having to actually hide.
Christianity was birthed in persecution, and we see that with John the Baptist, the forerunner of Christ. We see that with Stephen being stoned. We know that historically from the early church fathers and the writings of Josephus and others as to how that all the apostles pretty much were killed in a variety of different ways. Jesus Christ was put on a cross. And then we know that even John's exile to the Isle of Patmos prior to the close of the New Testament era, that Domitian and then Diocletian and Septimus Severus and Flavian and on, there were just a host. In fact, there were dozens of Roman emperors. The church went into a time of what we call imperial persecutions, and those were persecutions carried out on behalf of the state. This was before a state church existed. When the Catholic institution started, then the persecutions were placed into the hands of the religious institution, and those were carried out by the church with the armies of the government at their disposal. And one of the first examples of that is the Donatist persecutions in North Africa. And the Donatists were persecuted by Augustine. And you can read all of that in Philip Schaff's history. He brings out a lot of information concerning that and other early histories.